Hello, I'm Ken in Texas. As probably most of you already know, the large metropolitan areas in Texas are growing quite rapidly in population. That is not the case in rural Texas, where the population of a lot of the towns are either steady or they're slightly increasing or slightly declining. Today we're going to visit three small rural Texas towns where the population has been declining rapidly over the course of the last 40 or 50 years. We hope these towns are not dying, but the historical population trends are not encouraging. I do not use AI. I do not use drones. I drive to each town, photograph each town, either from my car or by just walking around. So that kind of gives you an up-close and personal view of the town. And as always, thanks for watching.
My business, humming a song. I'm happy by myself, not a care in the world. This is a life, just me, myself, and I am watching the clouds up in the sky, all but laughing out loud. I'm telling you why I'm living the life, just me, myself, and I think that life was cold and lonely when you up and left me. Sadness overwhelmed and me. I am out and about, painting the town red. I'm coming around. There ain't no doubt about it. I'm no longer blue. So glad we are through. Just me, myself, and I.